So we've arrived on site at a brand new job starting today. The weather's atrocious, as you can see. It's been hailing all morning, which is always good for a 8 AM start. So yeah, we're not really touching a pond. We're going to install a new pump in there. The main part of this is the waterfall up there, which we're going to completely rebuild. So we've ripped a lot of the stones out, so tons there. Completely rebuild it, reshape it, install a bio filter box at the top. So yeah, see you in a bit. Lovely weather.
Yeah, just doing the mushing come.
Alright guys, really happy with today's progress. Yeah, we're back tomorrow with another video, and we should be getting it done in the next day or so. So yeah, look forward to that. So guys, end of day 2. Done a nice rockery there for the client, which we think is really naturally good. There's the plants intertwining with it. And yeah, so we've got the waterfall here, which is looking very nice. Again, very natural, which is what we're really going for this one. Lovely streams shooting off the rocks. And yeah, we'll be finished tomorrow, so we'll have a final little video for you then. Hello guys, so that is the end of this project, the nice waterfall refurb. Just a little short video this time. So this is the final result. I've just shown you a minute ago, but let's get a bit closer. Yeah, lovely few cascades there. Going into the existing pond, which we put a new pump into. That's all fitted up and obviously working well. So yeah, we'll see you soon on the next job. Thank you.